Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how we can add an outline to an image just like I have in one of my previous YouTube thumbnails. If we head over to a blank design, we just need to head up to uploads and I'm just going to select this image of myself and we're going to remove the background because we just want the image, and there we have it. That's what we'll use. So for this we will change the background because then that might be easier for us to see. So there we have now a nice colourful background and an image of myself. So to add the outlines, head into apps and here we are going to type in image outliner and we're going to head up to the image outliner app here, and there we can see that's how it's going to look. So it's put in a white outline around the image, but we can change that, and there we can see whatever colour we select is the colour that it's going to change it in the picture to show you how it's going to look. But because we've got this colour background, I am going to stick with it being white. If you have a certain colour that you want to use, then you can obviously add in your hex code there as well. We can also change the width, so we can make it a wider outline or we can make it a thinner outline. So I think we'll make it a wider one, then it'll be easy for us to see. And we can also blur the outline, so obviously we can change how we want that to be as well by using the slider bar. Once we're happy, then we need to select add to design, and we can now delete our original image because it's replaced it now with this image that has the outline on it. And again, if you're not happy with it, then we can go back and we can make some alterations and add that to the design and delete the original image, and there you can see there's your new image. That is how you can add an outline around an image like you see other people doing in YouTube thumbnails and documents, and that is a quick and easy way that you can do it. If you're not currently a Canva Pro member to use the Canva Pro features like the background remover and the apps, then do not worry, there's a link in the description. If you click on the link, then that will give you a free 30-day trial to Canva Pro where you can try out this feature and all the other amazing features that Canva Pro has to offer. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon in my next tutorial.